gentlemen, we've reached King Abdulaziz International Airport. Welcome to Saudi Arabia. The show is about to begin, so fasten your seatbelts, enjoy the show, and kindly remain seated till the seatbelt sign is switched off.
A secret superstar has taken his first step out of his comfort zone, Mumbai. पिछले एपिसोड में मनोज कुमार वॉरियर ने हमें यह बताया that when he landed in Saudi Arabia, he got to know that the job he had interviewed for was not the job that he got. मतलब हमारे सीक्रेट सुपरस्टार ने अपने सपनों के सफर का पहला माइलस्टोन टच तो किया, पर वहीं पे उनकी गाड़ी बंद पड़ गई. अब क्या? What next? रिवर्स मारेंगे या रास्ता बनाएंगे? The job he got, did it work for him? Did he fight for his rights like a Bollywood hero? Or did he return to India? ये तो बस हमारे सीक्रेट सुपरस्टार ही बता सकते हैं. हाय, मैं हूं रोशन शेट्टी. मुंबई में रेडियो की दुनिया में मुझे आरजे रोशन के नाम से जाना जाता है. वेलकम टू द 4th एपिसोड ऑफ नुक्कड़ टू न्यू जर्सी, एक सीक्रेट सुपरस्टार की म्यूजिकल जर्नी. मनोज कुमार वॉरियर के सफरनामे में इस एपिसोड की अहमियत बहुत ज्यादा है. It's an episode of first in the life of a 22-year-old boy. First time in flight, first time away from his family, first time traveling out of his country. And for the first time, Manoj was on his own. और क्या है ना, पहली बार हमेशा खास होता है. This episode is a celebration of the time he lived in Saudi Arabia. With the help of his brother, he traveled from Worli to Jeddah. But how he carved his path to reach the zenith is what this episode is all about. आज हमारे सीक्रेट सुपरस्टार की गाड़ी जिस स्टॉप पे आ रुकी है, उसका नाम है अरेबियन नाइट्स. तो चलिए बुलाते हैं मनोज कुमार वॉरियर को और स्टोरी को थोड़ा रिवाइंड करते हैं टू द डे when he landed in Saudi. अस्सलाम वालेकुम मनोज भाई, कीफ हालक?
वालेकुम सलाम, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
मैं स्पेशली आपके लिए आज अरेबिक सीख के आया क्योंकि आई केम टू नो लास्ट टाइम कि आप जब लैंड हुए सऊदी, आपको जब जॉब मिला, सो यू गॉट अ जॉब एज अ अरेबिक टेलीफोन ऑपरेटर एंड यू हैड टू लर्न इट. बट मनोज भाई, आज मेरा अरेबिक सुन के आपको कैसा लगा?
You can do better.
Okay, I should stick to Hindi and English only. Manoj bhai, this episode is Arabian Nights. And the first time I went away from home to pursue my MBA, मेरी मम्मी डैडी बैंगलोर तक आए थे मुझे छोड़ने. और जब वो जा रहे थे ना, I still remember I had millions of butterflies. आपके साथ कुछ ऐसा हुआ था जब फर्स्ट टाइम आप घर छोड़ के you left your family and you're moving out of Mumbai to Saudi?
तो हुआ ये, जब जद्दा के ऊपर से फ्लाइट जा रही थी और लैंड होने ही वाली थी,
हाँ.
तो मैंने पूरा देखा कि पूरा रेगिस्तान है, कुछ है ही नहीं.
हाँ.
फुल डेजर्ट.
और इधर आप वर्ली में, मुंबई में पानी के सामने थे.
यहाँ पानी, वहाँ डेजर्ट.
वहाँ डेजर्ट. हाँ.
रेत, all desert. And I was landing, and it was on November 11, 1989 when I am landing
Wow.
to Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
I still remember the date. Wow.
Yes, that date I will never forget. So I landed,
Hmm.
and it was like if you see, if it is like lot of sheep kept under one room, and then you leave them off, they start running. This is what happens at Jeddah Airport.
Oh,
As
is it?
soon as as soon as the gate is open, everyone is running to immigration, because immigration itself is it's a long drawn tedious process.
Okay.
It took me 2 to 3 hours
Mhm.
to get out of the airport. Patiently, my brother and my sister-in-law and my niece was waiting with some friends to pick me up.
To pick you
And
up.
I was coming out exhausted. Where am I?
Tired. So
और then they उन्होंने मुझे ले गए घर. Finished one night and the next day morning I have to go to the the
Job.
company where I am.
Yeah.
When I went there, they told me, okay, abhi go and keep your things in that building. I said, oh wow, great building. So I went there with my bag, with my tote bag. I'm going upstairs, and there are friends. Okay, come. I thought, oh great. It was a 3-bedroom apartment. I said, wow.
Nice.
And 15 people were in their room, in that 3-bedroom.
Oh, Kiri. Oh. So you got a surprise there. 3 BHK में 15
It
लोग.
was surprise and shock. Then I have to share this, and I have to share. There was 2 bathrooms, 1 kitchen, everyone cooking,
Oh,
and they were cooking everything in life. You cannot name. I can name everything in the world. Everything is cooked there.
and you used to cook as well?
Little bit I started cooking later,
Okay.
but then they took us to the medical to do a medical. And medical, it is done in a small clinic, and there are only so many people can enter, and then you have to wait outside in that hot sun, waiting down on the lawns, sitting there. You must have seen, no, the labor camp and how
Labor
people
camps,
are
yes. I
being
was
treated.
about to tell that. It's
Yeah,
like a labor
in Gulf.
camp.
Yes, it was a labor camp, but it was a good start, because that entire
Episode.
it was like a big shock to my comfort.
It's the
You
initial
rightly
aspect.
said, I have to come out of that comfort zone. And
the-
then when I went to there, they told me, you're not a secretary, you're a telephone operator. I said, what telephone operator? How can I don't know anything. I don't know how to handle the telephone. I don't know how to speak Arabic. It's all Arabic. They speak only Arabic, nothing else. So thankfully, my brother had given me one book.
Okay, and which book was that?
Translate English to Arabic, Arabic to English.
Oh, important book for the job that you.
Yeah. And then I used to open that. Sabal khair. That means good morning.
Yeah, that.
Yeah. Kaif halak. How are you? So this is how it started. Do this, do that. I said, from what to what? I came here as a secretary. I'm doing cleaning in the factory.
The job description
I
was wrong.
hated myself. Every moment I was hating. Why did I come? But then the only grace was the weekends.
Mhm.
And then I used to run and catch the bus. There was a bus, small bus,
Mhm.
which I have to change 2 buses, two reals.
Okay.
And to stop the bus, you should say Al Ajam.
Al-Ajam. Okay.
Stop the bus.
Stop.
Yeah. So I was working in an area called Gulail.
Okay.
And from Gulail, I have to take bus to Bab Makkah, 2 reals.
2 reals.
And then from Bab Makkah to Sharfia, where my brother was staying, 2 reals. And then walk. But then and then I used to do jugad. So someone has to, कोई तो जा रहा होगा.
The
That's
Mumbaikar has to come out. ना जुगाड़ तो होना ही है. कोई भी देश रहे तो मुंबई
कोई ना
का
कोई रहेगा ही. तो देयर वाज कोई ना कोई ड्राइवर होगा, कोई मैनेजर होगा, इसकी उस गाड़ी होगी, तो मैं उसको पटाता था कि मुझे उधर छोड़ दे, उधर से मैं चला जाऊंगा. ऐसे कर करके मैं थर्सडे घर पे आता था, भाभी और भाई के पास. खाना 2 चीज के लिए, खाना खाने, अच्छा खाना, एंड मूवी देखने के लिए, एंड वेटिंग फॉर थर्सडे नाइट, फ्राइडे फॉर अ बिग पार्टी सेलिब्रेशन. Every Thursday night we used to have parties.
Wow.
Parties and get together. मतलब Saudi party.
Saudi party. I understand Saudi party. So I'll also dwell into more of that Saudi parties when I make you meet our special guest. बट उसके लिए अभी टाइम है। अभी फिलहाल मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो गाना हो जाए जो आप सऊदी से लेकर आज तक हमेशा गाते रहे, गुनगुनाते रहे, एंजॉय करते रहे।
तो एक गाना है वो, that is very dear to me. And it is from a film called Bombay to Goa, and it resonates Bombay to Jeddah.
Jeddah.
And it is for it is my honor and my privilege to dedicate this song to my very, very close friend Bhaskar Shetty.
Oh,
This is for him,
Papa.
your dad.
इतनी खुशी. So let's go for
me
that
and him used to sing this song every weekend. Every weekend this song has to be there.
Full power. And now I am intrigued that which song is that. So without wasting any time, let's have this song जो मनोज जी और मेरे पापा भास्कर शेट्टी सऊदी के उन दिनों गाते थे. अब टाइम है उसको 2021 में न्यू जर्सी से यहाँ तक पहुंचाने की. हो जाए मनोज भाई.
Here you go.
देखा न है रे सोचा न है रे रख दी निशाने पे जा कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान देखा न है रे सोचा न है रे रख दी निशाने पे जा कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान डोले 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 अरे मिट जाएंगे मर जाएंगे काम कोई कर जाएंगे मर के भी चैन न मिले तो जाएंगे यारों का मिट जाएंगे मर जाएंगे काम कोई कर जाएंगे मर के भी चैन न मिले तो जाएंगे यारों का अरे बाओ 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 देखा न है रे सोचा न है रे रख दी निशाने पे जा कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान
कुकड़ू कुकू दंग 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 दंग. मनोज भाई फुल पावर. आपका ये परफॉर्मेंस देख के I wish that I was 22 years old then when you and my father used to sing this song. It seemed like full power times then. बहुत छोटा था मैं, बट याद कुछ नहीं है. लेकिन आज जब आपको देखा तो मुझे ना पूरा ऐसा ऑरा समझ में आ गया कि मेरे डैडी और आप कैसे गाते थे ये.
अरे तुम्हारे डैडी तो एनर्जी का बड़ा बड़ा पावर हाउस थे. वो गाते थे, मैं बजाता था. एंड वहां से मैं सीखा.
So आप
ये
कैसे
बजाना
मतलब, ऐसा
कुछ भी रहता था उससे लेके बजाते थे. कुछ भी रहता बजाओ.
ओके मतलब आप परकशनिस्ट थे एक्चुअली. आप ऐसा तबला प्लेयर है ये नहीं, ये ऐसे आवाज निकाल रहे थे.
नहीं बहुत अच्छा बजाता हूँ. एंड देन देयर वाज वन मोर सॉन्ग, जान जा ढूंढता फिर रहा. He used to sing and I used to play.
वाओ ब्रिलियंट. मतलब सब इम्प्रोव होता था.
ऐसा बजाता था मैं.
क्या बात है. मतलब योर जर्नी एज अ सीक्रेट सुपरस्टार actually started there only. गाते तो अब सालों से थे, लेकिन फिर बाद में प्ले करना, म्यूजिक निकालना, फुल पावर. एंड क्योंकि सारी चीजें आपकी स्टार्ट हुई वहां से, एक अलग जर्नी आपकी शुरुआत हुई. मुंबई से आप सऊदी अरेबिया तो पहुंच गए. तो मैंने सोचा जिसके बारे में इतना बात कर लिया आपने, जिनको ये गाना डेडिकेट कर दिया, एंड एवरी टाइम आई ब्रिंग अ स्पेशल गेस्ट, आई कीप इट एज अ सरप्राइज. But this time I don't want to keep it a surprise. Introducing Manoj Kumar Warrior's friend, my daddy, my papa, Bhaskar Shetty का एक स्पेशल मैसेज है all the way from Kenya, Nairobi. Go for it.
मनोज के बारे में बोले तो क्या बोले क्या बोले. बहुत नटखट था और एंदा बड़कले मतलब एक अपने एक निक नेम उसको दिया गया था. हम लोग, हमारे दोस्त लोग, हमारा पूरा ग्रुप, मगर इतना अच्छा लड़का था, उसको कुछ भी बोले हंसने का सिवाय कुछ नहीं आएगा. और बहुत छोटा था, बहुत नटखट. साल में एक बार ओणम का फेस्टिवल आता था, वो केरला का फेस्टिवल है. जब हम लोग सब लोग लुंगी पहन के जाने का खाने के लिए, पूजा की बात की बात है, खाने के लिए जब हम लोग लुंगी पहनते थे, वो लुंगी नहीं पहनता था, छोटा था ना, वो सबको बोलता तुम लुंगी पहन के पुंगी क्यों बजा रहे हैं, बॉम्बे का लड़का है. ऐसा डायलॉग तो मारेगा ही. बहुत हंसी आ रहा था, बहुत हंसी, क्योंकि एक तरह से छोटा था और लोग उसको एंजॉय कर रहे थे. वैसे ही दशहरा के बारे में, गरबा खेलने में मस्त था, क्योंकि गुजराती कॉलोनी में रह के वो गरबा इतना अच्छा खेला और खेल रहा था, स्पेशली मेरे बीवी दीपा के साथ में. आ आ आ आ आ आ वो पैर उठा के ताली मार के वाह 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 वाह. और मेरे को टेम्पटेशन हो रहा था, मैं जाके गरबा में घुस जाता था रूम के अंदर. मगर जब भी मैं नाचता था ना, मेरा बीवी ऐसा बोलती था आप ड्रैगन का जैसा नाच रहे, आपको क्यों तमीज है कि नहीं, बच्चे के सामने ऐसा का नाच रहे हैं, कब चुप होने का, मर्द आदमी हूं, पति आदमी हूं, चुप. सभी हंसते थे, मगर मनोज इतना जोर से हंसता था जब वो बोलती थी ना, वो वेरी नाइस. मेरे को वेरी नाइस बोलता था, मैं दिल में ये था, आई एम द बेस्ट. ऐसा एक डायलॉग मार रहा था जब भी मैं गाना गाता था. He's a so happiest guy in the group. एक तो वो बालक है, स्पेशली देखा ना है रे, सोचा ना है रे, बॉम्बे टू गोवा का जो गाना था, वो गाने पे वो नीडो का डब्बा, जो मिल्क का डब्बा था, लेके बजा रहा था. लड़का बॉम्बे का है, बजा रहा था. मैं देखा ना है रे, सोचा ना है रे, रख दी निशाने पे जा, ला कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम, है बस यही अरमा, अरे ये ला ला और कोकोरे कोको साथ दे रहा था मेरे को. कौन? मनोज. इतना पसंद आ रहा था जैसे कि मैं कोरस में बैठा हूं. और बड़े लोग तो गाते ही है, मारे बच्चे का जो आवाज सुन के ना मेरे को इंस्पिरेशन हो रहा था. ये बच्चा एंजॉय कर रहा है, लेट मी सिंग अनदर सॉन्ग. मेरा एक फेवरेट सॉन्ग था, हमें और जीने की, हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते. वो बच्चा क्या कर रहा था, ऐसा ताली बजा रहा था. I was so enjoying. Anyhow, but अभी हम लोग साथ में इधर नहीं है, वो जहां भी है, he's in a biggest post. Now he's in a big position as a COO. We are all happy. God bless him. God bless his family. God bless for his future. All the best.
very, very powerful time that was. And this Shetty Bhai was full of energy. And I used to stay at his house mostly in the nights on weekend. And then weekday morning, unki factory and our factory was closer to each other. So I used to go in their bus and they used to drop me.
Okay.
And the bus used to drop me. And when I was going there, I was my boss, the owner of the factory used to come, the son of the owner, in his BMW, black BMW car.
Okay.
He was also Saudi, American, and Egyptian combination. So he used to come in his BMW car. Hisham Al Swedi is name.
Okay.
And his father used to come in big Cadillac car, white color. So this guy, son used to come, and I used to look at him and say, wow, this car is like so much like a beautiful lady. I said, I want this car. Somehow, I need this car. This is my dream car, BMW. Jai Gurudev. And finally, I got that car in last year. And I was so much grateful that the circle has been completed.
Wow.
From that BMW to this BMW. Also, since that guy was also American citizen, I always asked him, can you take me to America? Can you take me to America? In 1990.
Okay.
And he used to tell me, okay, we'll see. So since then, I wanted to be here in US.
And there you are.
The land of opportunities.
Absolutely. But how did you reach there? So after the BMW incident, what happened so drastically that you could reach there?
So what happened was, Shetty Bhai had a roommate, Satish, very good friend again. There are other friends also. So he and Shetty Bhai, they worked towards it that this guy is suffering. They were seeing me suffering. I was not happy. I was doing all these odd jobs, and they somehow got me because Satish by that time had already been had started working with IBM.
Okay.
And then he got me into IBM, and that's how it started. But when 91 I went back, 92 I came back again, worked for a company, and that's where it all started. And then 93 I joined IBM.
So there the journey started again.
Yes, and then working with IBM, there was a very good boss, Pakistani financial controller, Fauzi.
Okay.
He was a big help in my life. He completely changed my life, made me so totally independent. And because of him,
Wonderful.
things started happening in my life slowly. Then he moved me from Jeddah to Riyadh,
Okay.
the capital of Saudi Arabia. And there I was with my family. By the time Nandini had already come.
Okay, so you got married as well in that time period.
Yes. Yeah, in 95 I got married. That's another story. We'll talk about that in next episode.
Yes.
But here now I'm in Riyadh now. I don't know people. I don't know anything.
Okay.
A new place. And here I am. I don't know what to do, where to go, whom to meet. That's the time when a Marathi group. I joined a Marathi group somehow. I got connected. And from there, they introduced me to someone who was recording for Saregama that time.
Whoa.
In 99.
Okay.
International Saregama was being recorded. So I was auditioned and so many people were auditioned. I was selected. And then wahan se journey shuru hui. I went and gave the audition. They selected me first round, second round. Third round was semi-final. I got through the semi-final. It's an amazing song which I got through. And then from there, Then I was waiting. That did not move forward क्योंकि उन्होंने सारेगामा, they stopped the सारेगामा altogether international.
Oh,
There was a break.
Okay. There was a break then, but there are no breaks here. The song that you sang in the semi-finals, if I'm not wrong, semi-finals, right?
Yes.
And then the show stopped.
Yeah.
But here the Secret Superstar's journey has just begun. So which song was that?
That was छैया 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 चल छैया 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 छैया.
It's one of my personal favorites. ये गाने पे मैंने शाहरुख खान के साथ डांस भी किया है, and I proudly say it everywhere. So यार मनोज कुमार, without wasting any time, मेरा excitement इतनी हो रही है कि मेरे शब्द नहीं निकल रहे हैं. Let's go for it. छैया छैया जो 1999 में अधूरा रह गया, फाइनल्स अधूरा रह गया था, पर आज 2021 में उसको पूरा करते.
Here you go.
जिनके सर हो इश्क की छां, इश्क की छां, पाँव के नीचे जन्नत होगी. जिनके सर हो इश्क की छां. चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 सारे इश्क की चाव चल छैया छैया सारे इश्क की चाव चल छैया पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया छैया पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया चल छैया 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 छैया. वो यार है जो खुशबू की तरह, जिसकी जुआ उर्दू की तरह, मेरी शाम और रात मेरी कायनात मेरी यार मेरा सैया सैया चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 छैया.
मनोज भाई यहाँ बैठे बैठे मैंने हुक स्टेप छैया छैया का कर लिया फुल पावर. ऐसे 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 क्या मजा आ गया यार, बड़ा मजा आ गया. लेकिन अभी तो चलो यार 2021 में इट्स मोर ओपन, वी आर डूइंग दिस डिजिटल शो नुक्कड़ टू न्यू जर्सी. बट वे बैक सऊदी देन वाज अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट कंट्री. सो आप कैसे मैनेज करते थे ये सब रिकॉर्डिंग करना, ये एंटरटेनमेंट एंड एवरीथिंग?
मत पूछो. इट वाज सब छुप छुपा के करना पड़ता था, और इंडियन एम्बेसी के अंदर होता था ये.
ओके.
और एम्बेसी के अंदर सिर्फ आपको विद परमिशन ही जा सकते थे. एंड फुल कवर करके, लेडीज को फुल कवर करके जाना पड़ता था. एंड इट इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट कंट्री नाउ, बट बैक देन इट वाज वेरी टफ. और उसी में जब मैं काम कर रहा था तो एक दिन ऐसा हुआ, that was the time, first time मोबाइल आया.
Okay.
Mobile was introduced in 99 in Saudi Arabia, first time.
Invention of mobile, yeah.
In Saudi, but I think must have come earlier in other parts, but in Saudi, internet and mobile came together in 98, 99 sometime.
Okay.
Yeah. And I was in Riyadh and I was in charge. So once what happened, there was one sample which was bought in the company. Only few were there, one was there. So I used it without asking my boss.
Okay.
And so Fauzi was there, my boss, and he was always supportive. But my immediate boss was another guy, Arabic guy.
Okay.
and he complained about me. And I was traveling that time, and I got a news that I lost my job because
Oh,
they put this blame on me that I took this away,
oh my God.
this phone. Again, second time getting blamed.
For something that you didn't do.
See, my problem is that when people blame me, I don't know how to defend, because I feel that if I defend,
Mhm.
they will get offended. So finally, what happened was that they found out, and Fauzi was supporting me,
Mhm.
and Fauzi is no more now, and that's why I got my job back. But second thing which was happened was that I was in UK that time in 2002 by the time,
Mhm.
and that is the time when I got my news from Mumbai that my mother is very sick and she suffered her first cardiac arrest, and that really devastated me. I said, "Oh my God!" And I rushed back,
Hmm. To Mumbai.
cutting my trip came back to Mumbai, went to her near her bed,
Mhm.
and gave her Gurudev's photo and said, "You will be all right." But one thing which always stand out in Saudi, in all that Saudi, I was 15 years in Saudi Arabia,
Mhm.
from 89 to 2004. One thing which always stood out, Saudi has Makkah and Medina, very, very holy places,
Mhm.
beautiful place, so much of energy, so much of divinity is there. And I always wanted to go there, but I cannot go because I am of other religion. I always wanted. So then, when my friends used to go, this song used to come to me always. And that song has stayed with me always.
Which song is that?
फटा मेरे दिल से समंदर का भी सीना, फटा मेरे गम से समंदर का भी सीना, न थी मेरी किस्मत के देख मदीना,
क्या बात.
मदीने वाले से मेरा सलाम कहना, मदीने वाले से मेरा सलाम कहना.
क्या बात. क्या बात. क्या बात. Oh, your stories are getting all the more exciting with every episode, all the more interesting with every episode. You have had a lot of tough times, and still you are the full power person that you are, smiling like you have always been. ये जब इतनी डिफिकल्टीज थी, इतनी टफ टाइम्स थे, तब कैसे इसको बोला यार नहीं, अब रुकना नहीं है? Who was your backbone then?
My wife Nandini,
Mhm.
my daughter Vaishnavi.
Mhm.
We'll talk about them in the next episode.
Oh, you always surprise me, Manoj Kumar Warrior. अगले एपिसोड में हम बात करेंगे आपके फैमिली लाइफ के बारे में और सुनेंगे किस्से फैमिली मैन के, बिकॉज फैमिली इज फॉर एवर. थैंक यू सो मच मनोज भाई, थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
थैंक यू. मुंबई के पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट का नाम क्या है? BST. मंजे का है इन शॉर्ट BEST, बेस्ट. और बेस्ट के बसों में घूमने वाले मनोज भाई अक्सर BMW के ख्वाब देखते थे. आंखों में जुनून था, दिल में आग थी, but this fire can really consume you. Trust me. But that's why you need an extinguisher called family. फैमिली वो सिक्योरिटी ब्लैंकेट है जो आपको जलने से बचाएगी. They keep you grounded, they keep you sane, and they can bring you back on the right track if you steer away from that. This caravan of nostalgia is on the move again. तो मिलते हैं अगले स्टॉप पे जिसका नाम है फैमिली मैन. The seatbelt sign is now switched off. Thank you so much for joining us on Nukkad to New Jersey, एक सीक्रेट सुपरस्टार की म्यूजिकल जर्नी. मिलेंगे अगले हफ्ते, सेम टाइम सेम पेज. दिस इज RJ रोशन शेट्टी साइनिंग ऑफ. पर एंटरटेनमेंट आपके घर तक हम पहुंचाएंगे. सो आप कहीं मत जाइए. Stay at home, stay safe and stay full power.
Hi Manoj, how are you? We all are proud of seeing your series. He is the youngest one in our family. He is 10 years younger than me, but he is like a son rather than a brother. He is very naughty in the childhood days, but as he grew up, he became very loving and caring for the family members and for his friends. He tries to keep his relationship alive till now. He is very enthusiastic in all celebrations which was performed in Burli, and we used to call him Junior Govinda as he resembles him. Manoj, this is for you. बहनों ने बाई की कलाई में प्यार बांधा है, प्यार की दो तार से संसार बांधा है, रेशम की डोरी से, रेशम की डोरी से, रेशम की डोरी से संसार बांधा है. बाय मनोज, लव यू, स्टे सेफ.